You can monetize your YouTube videos by promoting products or services that can solve problems for your viewers, and you can make good money this way, whether you have a huge audience or not. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be sharing how you can make money with YouTube affiliate marketing. This video will cover everything you need to know to get started and earn some cash with YouTube affiliate marketing. Are you ready? Let's dive in. There are several brands that offer affiliate marketing to their users. For example, you can sign up as an affiliate for Amazon, Target, Microsoft, and more. You can also join affiliate services such as ClickBank, Affiliax, Impact, and so on. Once you've chosen a product to promote, you'll be given a unique URL specific to you and that product. This affiliate link keeps track of the sales that come from your video content. Every time someone clicks on it and buys the product, you get a commission. So, what type of video generates affiliate revenue? Let's take a look at the formats that have proven to be successful. The first one is product review videos. You can review a single product in your videos or do product comparison reviews. It's recommended that you have the product as you explain. This singular act attracts views and builds trust. Unboxing videos are the second video content style that may help you generate affiliate commissions. This video content includes unboxing the package and showing your experience. You don't even have to buy every product you review. If you ask nicely, some companies are willing to give out their products in exchange for a positive review. Many YouTube viewers prefer watching how-to videos. These type of videos are informative by demonstrating how the product works. We all love to see proof to know the product is worth buying. This demonstration may drive your affiliate marketing conversions through the roof. Another video format you can use is rounding up video reviews of different products. To earn from this type of video content, you need to be an authority on the subject matter. You can use this video content to promote several products all at once. Other YouTubers who are into affiliate marketing use this video content format to promote their Amazon affiliate links. If you see best top 10 air fryers or best hiking shoes, these are examples of this video content type. The next thing we will be discussing is where to place your affiliate links. There are two main options, and they work better when used together. You should always place your affiliate links in the description, and, in addition, if your channel allows, you could also use YouTube cards, which are interactive cards that pop up on the video. When recording your videos, ensure that you point your viewers' attention to the links in the description. Mention it a few times, while being subtle about it. On YouTube, you can reach a wide audience when you use best practices, including a call to action that tells your viewers to check your video description. Share your videos on social media and do lots of research before making a video. Remember, YouTube is a competitive platform to do business on, so you have to be sensible when choosing your niche and be creative about your video. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.